would do a video on the Meriva B speakers, as there doesn't seem to be a lot of information on replacing them. If you want to know how to remove the door panels, then look in the description, as I have 2 videos on how to remove the front door panel and the rear door panel. So let's start off with the centre speaker, which is covered by a grill which will just clip off by gently using a plastic tool. I assume the centre speaker is more of a middle frequency speaker, and when I remove the cover you will see that the Meriva speakers are made to a low end budget. The speakers in the Meriva look identical to the ones in the Astra and also Insignia. The design of the front door speakers means that it only has one screw holding it in, so it's easy to remove, and the rear door speaker uses exactly the same design. On eBay, you can purchase speaker ring adapters that will fit the front or rear doors. Also on eBay is a front speaker kit which is quite expensive but looks to be great quality. You can also purchase the rear two-way speakers on their own, and you can also buy the fronts without the centre speaker. The tweeters are mounted in the front A-pillars, and you will need to remove the trim to access them, and care must be taken when removing them. There are limitations on the head unit upgrade, as only a single DIN fascia adapter will fit. I've been looking on AliExpress at this unit, which fits the Astra J, as it goes behind the control switches. The only problem is mounting the screen on the Meriva, and it would be a challenge as you would need some customization. Thanks for watching, and I will leave all the links in the description.